bit.
And watch your connection here.
Yeah, actually, if it leaks, I'll just push it that way.
Okay, yeah, push it this way if it leaks.
Well, about right here?
It will leak a little bit. Down a little bit. Yeah, right there. Do it at arm's height, so that way even the missus can do it.
Ready?
Yep. If it starts spraying, just point towards me. Slide it on the pipe. And then you put your fitting in between. Now we might have to cut. I guess not. Maybe not. And it's set all the way to the shoulder, so.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
Yeah.
How's that look?
Let me see square. So if you want, we can probably shave off just a little bit.
Yeah, we could shave a little bit if we want.
How much can this
perfectly
cut?
straight?
Yeah, how much can this cut? So we can.
That might actually be
We'd
perfect.
have to shave off, yeah, at least that much.
Trying to make that clean of a cut like that though.
Yeah, I
It
mean,
might
I'm
shear
kind of
off.
okay with this,
Yeah.
but
I'm okay with it.
cause then otherwise, then
Cause
we're gonna go up. If we cut too much, it'll go up. But I guess
Oh,
that's
we
not
do have room to
terrible.
go up.
Yeah, we do have plenty of room
that's-
to go up. Yeah,
Alright,
let's do it. Let's
let's do it.
try to make it look good. Yeah, there we go. That looks a lot better.
Oh, that a lot
And
better.
look, we still even have
A little bit of
about
a.
yeah. So if we need to, we can.
I'm cool with that.
No, I'm cool with this, but like, let's say crimp goes wrong or something. We have,
Oh,
plenty,
yeah.
we have plenty of room, so we're good to go. Is that a PEX piece? Set perfect 90-degree angle.
And do a little shoot.
Good.
Oh,
That's all right. All right, let's make sure that's, like I said, butted all the way up to the shoulder. There we go.
if you want to hold it.
Yeah, hold on, let me clear these webs. Yeah, all right. It's held. Kind of go off to the side so you're not hitting that elbow. Now I can't see, but that's fine. Is it on it? Here, I got it right. There you go.
There we go. Oh man.
Yep. Maybe. Can we go that way?
Yeah, we probably could. This up.
It's not even hooked up to anything, so that could be moved. Okay.
All right, there we go. Okay.
All right, let's see the go, no go. Perfect spot.
Yep.
Okay, now this one does matter a lot because.
All right, go ahead and go for it. All right, next shut off.
Water right there. Okay.
Rest of the house. And actually, honestly, leaving that. Did you close that one out there? Okay, that would probably just help.
That'll help get all the air out.
The air out, so. so nerve-wracking. Oh yeah, that's dry.
Dry as a bone.
Yeah. I think we got it.
That's it. All right, you keep an eye on those fittings. I'm gonna go shut some water off.
Cool.
This is.
I think. Oh, actually, that faucet's going, so that'll help too.
Yep. I'm gonna go start shutting them off so I can pressurize that fitting.
Yep.
Yeah, this guy doesn't have a. That guy was a trickle anyway.
Yeah, I feel like it wasn't doing anything. It wasn't doing much.
All right, I'm gonna shut off the faucet. Have we done this before? We're doing a lot of that this week, man.
Oh no. No leaks. All done. All good.
Are these supposed to be pressed, or are they just supposed to be